Today we're gonna do the unboxing of the light set, which is the LINCO Flora X, is it? But real brief, I just wanna, I'm trying to record it this way because it's been kind of hard to get things situated, being that everything I'm unboxing and doing reviews. But these are the soft boxes it comes in. We're gonna open those and put this together for you guys and let you know how it works and is it good for you. It comes with this white sheet, or it's like the back screen, a nice little bag, carry bag to put the pods in and all that. Okay, these are the sockets. Comes with 4 of them. You pop these things out, boop, and put it in there. You feel me? So, we didn't get to it. The only thing is, and I'm gonna try these out. These are corn lights. I know that probably a lot of people heard a lot about corn lights. Some good reviews, bad reviews, but we're about to try them ourselves here on Tech for Rec and let you guys know how everything worked out with that. These are the pods where the sockets and all that go on the soft box. So we're going to put this all together right now, and then we're going to let you see it, boom, and how it actually works out. You got to try to bear with me because I'm working alone. It's not like I have a photographer there in front of me working with the camera. So I got to be going back and forth. But yeah, these are the soft boxes, and I just wanted to show you guys this while I was getting ready to put it together. This is awesome. I think this was cool about them. The packaging is very important of stuff. And I found this very cool. I'm just using the camera mic also. I mean, this is recorded with a phone. Just so you know, you can stop making excuses. All you need is your phone. That's a fact. So let's check this out. Look. It's so well put in there that it's even hard to take out. And it comes in a little baggie that you could put actually the soft box in. So that's awesome with Velcro and everything. Very sturdy, great material, and it's wrapped up again. Look, I like companies that take pride in what they're doing and do things like that. I think that's right. Look at the way it opens up. That's great. Whoa. Scared firecrackers out of me. But you see how it is? Awesome. And then that goes back there just like so. Hold on 1 second, guys. So you would put this, because I seen so many reviews on YouTube and all that. So you push this in there, blang, to where it fits in. I'm going to show you right now. I'm going to do it myself. So you want to get it right in between. Like so. And it goes like that. I seen people push it down. So I don't know. Like if you really have to push it down. But I seen people put strength on it. I don't know how true it is. But I think you do have to push it inward. Blah, where it snaps in. I just don't want to break nothing right now. Well, I'll take a look at that. And if you had to push it in, I'll let you guys know. But I seen people like actually force it hard where they pushed it in. Like you see, that's taking me some time, but I'm sweating. So if you ask me, like, what's the only thing about this, the only headache that this gives you, is this right here, actually. Yeah, it is just like that. You push down on it, boop, and you're going to hear a pop sound because it's like that's not all loose the way I had it before. It was all over the place. Now it's not going to come out. I don't know if you can see it in there. but it's like latched in correctly with the sides, and it's pretty tight. You know, once you put your stand up, there's nobody gonna be touching it. No kids should never be touching this. No one, because the light bulbs are very hot, especially them corn bulbs. You need to be aware of them corn bulbs because they have the LEDs just sticking out and they not well covered or anything of that fashion. So yeah, do I think myself that the only thing about this setup will probably be the corn bowls? Probably so. We're about to find out. But is it dangerous? I guess all light bulbs are dangerous, but LED lights, we know that they're not supposed to get as hot. Like when you touch them, some of them are not hot. They don't break. And the corn bulbs, I think they're just trying to make it like the companies are trying to pay less money. Right? Because the most expensive thing out of a lot of these setups is actually the bulbs. I'm pretty sure this costs money to make. They make a very good material. This material is awesome. I always thought that these boxes, like the big boxes, were like a super cheap material. And I guess the ones that they be showing are like just like a fabric type thing with something inside. But these are awesome, bro. So, you know, for the amount of money that was paid for these, because I know what they cost, you know, like in different places, I seen like people pay more and I seen people pay less. It depends. I like to get things brand new, not used. I mean, it's used is okay if that's what you're doing right now. You just need to make sure that all the wiring is good when you buy them used and that there's no problems. Because remember, this is going to be in your household where you can unintentionally really hurt a lot of people just because we want to have our setup right. But yeah, LINCO. So, Tech for Wreck. There goes another one right there. I just showed you guys. I put the soft boxes on these two. That one back there still needs to get done. I said that already, right? Yeah. Excuse the mess. I said that too, right? It's just I'm getting everything together here. Oh, I had to put, look, I put a bunch of stuff in here because you got to put heavy things in here and I didn't find that. So just for right now, I put a can of paint, some other stuff in there that the older fella from this house upstairs had back there. I took his stuff. But yeah, it's cool. It's coming together. Do I like the lights? Do I think it's worth it? Do I think it's worth the money? Sure, go for it. Tech for Rec. Subscribe, comment, hit notifications. Love you. I got a lot of more things coming. Follow your dreams. Do what you want to do. Don't worry about people. Post today. Do not delay, right? And crush it, man. Be awesome. Whether you want to do tech, whether you just want to tell your story, whether you want to do both. Stay tuned. We got a lot of more everything YouTube coming. A lot more unboxings. I might do another unboxing today, as a matter of fact. With the same clothes on. It don't matter. They're going to talk anyway. Don't worry about it. You're special. Follow your dreams. Do it.